Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox error code 403. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do if you are having this issue is to disable your VPN. So while VPNs are useful for certain activities, they can also slow down your connection quite a bit and cause any other unexpected issues. So this also applies for Roblox, as VPNs have been known to cause the error for 03 for some users. So disabling your VPN will depend greatly on what service you're using and how you added it. The process is pretty easy if you're using a service that you set up using Windows 11's built-in VPN settings. And so to do that, just open your settings menu and then choose network and internet from the left sidebar and choose a VPN and then just disable any active VPNs on the list. And then after doing so, what you can do next is to disable your antivirus program. So just like with the VPN, sometimes an antivirus programs can cause issues with specific apps. Disabling your antivirus has obvious risks of its own, so proceed with caution. So the exact steps will vary depending on what antivirus software you have. So for those using Windows Defender, here's what you can do. So first, just go to the left side of the start bar and open up the utility menu or the quick access icons. If you prefer, so double click onto the Windows Defender symbol and a new screen will pop up labeled security at a glance, and you'll want to click onto the option that says virus and threat protection. And after that, a new window will open up. So just go down to the virus and threat protection settings and click on to the manage settings. So the box will refresh with other screen. So go to the first option, just the real-time protection right here, and click onto the slider button to turn real-time from on to off. So Windows will eventually automatically turn this back on if you forget to do so yourself. And then that's it for the second fix. And then what you can do lastly is to clear the Roblox cache folder. So it is possible that a Roblox file has been corrupted, and that's what it is what causing the error 403 for you. So to clear the cache, you'll want to do the following. So first, just open start menu and simply type percent update percent into the start menu. And after doing so, you'll see three subfolders, but the one you want is local. So right here, after that, find the packages from the list of options and then find the Roblox folder into this new subfolder. So exact name may vary, but as for example, this is an example of the name. So Roblox Corporation.roblox and then right click and delete it. So just relaunch the game, and if the error code or the error 403 isn't popping anymore, that's great. And if it is still, or if it still is, just time to try something else or just try the method that I've showed you before. So that's it for this video. That's how you can, or those are some fixes that you can do if you're having the error code for 03 on your Roblox. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.